What happens when you gargle with salt water? Here is why you should gargle with salt water every day. Saltwater gargles have long been recommended as a home remedy for common ailments such as sore throat or bleeding gums. This inexpensive and simple method is an age-old practice that is often suggested by medical professionals due to its perceived effectiveness and lack of side effects. Research has shown that saltwater gargles can provide relief for mild health issues. Therefore, incorporating saltwater gargles into your daily routine can offer a variety of benefits. Here are some of the amazing advantages you can expect from doing saltwater gargles regularly. 1. Maintains the pH level. By neutralizing the acids in the throat that are produced by bacteria, the mixture can help maintain a healthy pH balance in the mouth. This, in turn, can prevent the growth of unwanted bacteria and promote oral health. 2. Clears nasal congestion. Saltwater gargling can also aid in clearing mucus buildup in the respiratory tract and nasal cavity. This solution can help reduce inflammation and alleviate throat pain. Additionally, it can flush out bacteria and viruses that, if left untreated, could cause congestion. 3. Respiratory tract infection. A study conducted in Japan suggests that gargling with warm salt water 3 times a day can potentially decrease the likelihood of developing an upper respiratory tract infection by up to 40%. 4. Gives relief from tonsillitis. Tonsils are 2 small masses of tissue located at the rear of the throat that can become inflamed due to bacterial or viral infections. When tonsillitis is inflamed, swallowing food can be painful. However, gargling with salt water can help relieve pain and alleviate these symptoms. 5. Eliminate bad breath. If you're concerned about having bad breath, gargling with salt water can be a useful method for eliminating it. This is because salt water can flush out oral bacteria, which is often the culprit behind bad breath. 6. Bleeding gums and toothache. In addition to the benefits mentioned earlier, gargling with warm salt water can also provide relief from bleeding and swollen gums, which are often the first signs of gum disease caused by bacterial infections. Rinsing your mouth with salt water can help combat bacteria and reduce inflammation. Furthermore, salt water gargling can alleviate toothaches. 7. Mouth ulcer. Mouth ulcers can be incredibly painful and may make eating difficult. However, gargling with salt water can alleviate discomfort and accelerate the healing process. 8. How to gargle with salt water. Add half a teaspoon of table salt to a cup of warm water. Stir until it dissolves completely. Take a big sip of the salt and hold it in your mouth. Tilt your head back and gargle the salt water in your throat for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. Repeat the same process until you have finished the whole cup. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.